Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard things easy using the easy method. This approach helps you tackle daunting challenges by transforming them into a series of simple, achievable actions. We'll explore how to break down complex tasks, focus on one small step at a time, and build momentum through consistent progress. By applying these principles, you can overcome procrastination and achieve your goals with greater ease and confidence. The first step in making hard things easy is to deconstruct complex tasks. Imagine a large project as a big puzzle. You wouldn't try to solve it all at once. Instead, break it down into 5 to 10 smaller, more manageable pieces. Each piece should be a clearly defined, actionable subtask. For example, if you're writing a report, one subtask might be outline the introduction, which could take about 15 minutes. This makes the overall task feel much less overwhelming. Once you've broken down your task, the next crucial step is to focus on just one small piece at a time. Resist the urge to jump ahead or multitask. Give your full attention to completing that single, 15-minute subtask. This focused effort prevents overwhelm and ensures quality. Each completed step, no matter how small, builds a sense of accomplishment and momentum. It's like climbing a staircase, one step at a time, until you reach the top. Finally, to truly make hard things easy, it's vital to build momentum and celebrate your progress. After completing each small step, take a moment to acknowledge your achievement. This positive reinforcement, even for something minor, fuels your motivation for the next step. Consistent small wins, like completing 3 15-minute tasks in an hour, accumulate into significant progress over time. This method transforms daunting challenges into a series of achievable successes, making the entire process feel much more manageable and even enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.